ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi ta ka orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Usembun Menteri Rangba Kejela uba Preston Tensong uba paidru ya katanat sam boarding uda ong ba Shen ke Sorkar jela kan sa Shim ya karai Halor ke jingtemu ban shna ya ka Shlem penmi boarding hawa Umngot bat ong ru ba ka Sorkar kan hap ban sngap lem ya ka sur ba persya jong ki paid ba ki baju im kamai jakpo nagani kawa bat naki shnong ki badan ya ki jakarep hajan kanikawa. Haga jingya keren bat ka Batisi TV uba Preston uloong bawat menteri barim katanat sam boarding u James piki sang maru ula penpau bayagani ka project anhap ban pensange aswa namar bakalami ka jing persya ka bajur nagaliang jong kipai ba.
You see, the stakeholders, and not only the stakeholders alone, but even the entire region of that area, they are against it. So they met me also, I think recently they met me also. They said, we have problem if you go ahead with this project. So therefore, ultimately, I tell you, the department and the government will have to respect the sentiments and then the reasons shown by the stakeholders and people of that area as well. Not officially scrapped, but that time, previous minister, he said we kept it on hold. And then I just took over, as I said to you. We will take a final call on this. Very soon I'm going to take a call, and we will go in line with the sentiments of the stakeholders and the region as a whole of that. My plan is like this. See, we will not go with a mega project. Because you know well the land tenure system in Meghalaya is totally difficult. Okay? So I had a review meeting, but I need for another maybe 3, 4, 5 meetings. Then I'll get all the detail. But I already told the CMD and everybody of the MBCL. I said, see, from now on, instead of going for a mega project, 100 megawatt, 200 megawatt, I said, please let us take a smaller project. The smaller the better and simpler too. So that's what I'm telling you. Now we will go in that direction. Maybe we can have one project of 35 megawatt, maybe 45 or maybe 50. Up to 50, I don't think that we will have much problem as far as land issue is concerned.